Meaning of hypnopedia.
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 Hypnopedia. Hypnopedia is a learning technique where information is presented to an individual while they are asleep with the goal of influencing their behavior and beliefs. The idea behind hypnopedia is that the sleeping mind is more receptive to suggestions and can absorb information without conscious interference. However, its effectiveness has been widely debated and scientific evidence is inconclusive. While some studies suggest that hypnopedia can lead to improvements in memory retention and language learning, others indicate that any acquired knowledge is limited and short-lived. Overall, hypnopedia remains a controversial and largely unproven method of learning.